Welcome back. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has assured to get in more ventilators in GMC soon after finishing GMC's upgradation. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar highlighted the plight of common men at GMC as some had to manually pump the ventilators for taking care of patients. Parrikar also said that some patients are forcibly removed from bed by doctors of GMC after slight recovery from their illness.
We have decided that contract people where domicile is not applicable, we advertise even outside the state of Goa. That is what I am trying to come to, is that we are finding shortage of doctors to maintain this existing setup.
More ventilators are required. You agreed that 20 ventilators are required. Yes. Why don't you have a room where only ventilation will be the main, what I will call it as a para-ICU. In Goa Medical College, many times patients are forced out of the bed, including ICU. Consistently patients are being shifted to some other hospital, private hospital.
That means we need more ventilators.
Exactly. Yes. So let him give us only one promise that he will work out for more ventilator. दोतोराक बाकीचे सगळे निर्णय घेवपाक येता, पण व्हेंटिलेटरची गरज जी आसा पळय ती दोतोराकूय ठरोवपाक येना, ती कळटा. ताका काढलो व्हेंटिलेटर जाल्यार तो बंद पडटा इंजिन ताचें. व्हेंटिलेटर म्हणजे कितें श्वास घेवपाचो मेकॅनिझम. दोतोर काडपाक शकना. नाही ते सांगता त्या मागीर ते कितें करता जाणा तूं पेशंटाक भायर हातान धरून भातो कसो पेशंट हांवें पळयला. अरे हांव जाल्यार तुका आपयता फुडल्या येपा, ताका आपयता फुडल्या येपा. हांवें स्वता इट इज एब्सोल्युटली हॅरेसमेंट.
And I can assure you that in the renovation that is going on, we will see that we bring up the number of ventilators.
आणि त्या दोतोराक फोन करीन आपण तो दोतोर दुसरे आसा त्या पेशंटाक व्हेंटिलेटर दिता. ही कामां चलता थंयसर.
There are some doctors, if they are not behaving in a particular fashion, then I am trying my best to look into it. As you are aware, there is a shortage of doctors in Goa. For me to immediately take action and suspend a particular doctor is the easiest thing, and I have done it on several occasions. तर हांव विधानसभेन उबो रावलो, म्हाका काय हांव उलयता तेजेर कोणी क्वेश्चन करूं शकना. डॉक्टरांक मारले, डॉक्टर वायट सगळे केले, सोडून गेल्यार कोण चलयतलो? हांव चलयतलो? तुम्ही म्हाका एकूच प्रश्न उत्तर दिया की डीन बरो ना, राजन कुंकळीकर बरो, रातचो तो उठ्ठा आनी फोन तरी घेता. त्याच्यानंतर हांवें कितें करप? हांव मंत्री, फाल्यां नाल्यार हांव राजिनामा दिवन सोडटा, तुमी जाय.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Khandolkar, Aparna Gaundalkar, video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Nadia death case is taking new turns every day. In the latest development, counsel of Miki Pacheco, Amit Palekar, has withdrawn from this case. Sources say that Amit withdrew as some of Miki's supporters intimidated him. Miki's case is now handled by advocate Anaclet Viegas. New counsel of Miki has moved fresh bail application for Miki in Madgaon Sessions Court.
Advocate Amit Palekar, who was handling Nadia death case for Miki, has withdrawn himself as the counsel of Miki on Thursday. Sources confirm that he withdrew as he was verbally abused by Miki's supporters. Now this case has been taken over by advocate Anaclet Viegas. Anaclet has now moved fresh bail application in Madgaon Sessions Court for Miki. This petition will come up for hearing on Friday. This move by advocate Anaclet Viegas is interesting as he is also a counsel of John Fernandez, who is in judicial custody in Russian rape case. John and Miki are political rivals in Banauli constituency. On the other side, Auda Viegas has resigned as the vice president of the UGDP. She is not happy with her brother and general secretary of UGDP, advocate Anaclet Viegas, taking up this case.
हातून कितें जालां, हातून हांव मेन कंप्लेनंट आसा आनी हांव मेन कंप्लेनंट आसतना ताणें ती बेल मूव करप हें म्हाका एक अपमानसो दिसलो म्हजे व्यूज म्हजे स्टँड सोशल हेजे बद्दल. आनी हांव जर UGDPन आशिल्ली जाल्यार हे कारणान की तांकां गोंयची संस्कृताय राखपा जाय म्हणून. आनी हे मनशान तरी बाकी सोड तूं नादिया मेले न मेले हो इश्यू सोडून सुद्दां हे मनशाची मर्यादा समाजा समोर आसाच. एक जालें, दुसरें म्हणजे हे मनशान UGDPक येवन इलेक्ट जावन भायर गेल्लो आसा. तर हे मनशा बद्दल जर हे लोक बेल मूव करता जाल्यार म्हाका दिसलें की हांव हे पार्टीन कंटिन्यू करपाक शकना.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt, and from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Lakshmi Narayan Temple in Mapsa was robbed on Wednesday night. Gold worth ₹5 lakhs were robbed.
Thieves entered the temple by breaking the main door. They robbed gold worth ₹5 lakh. They escaped from the back door. Sharad Kolwalkar, president of Lakshmi Narayan Temple, briefed us more.
देवळाचे भितरले भाग तोडले आणि महादेवाचा मुखवटो लक्ष्मीनारायणाचे मुकुट लक्ष्मीचं मुकुट आणि गणपतीचं मुकुट हे चांदीची वस्तू गेले आणि दुसरे मेन म्हणजे उत्सव मूर्ती गेले दोन्ही जो खूप जुने त्यानंतर गाळ्यात भांगर असले मंगळसूत्र असले चांदीचे माझे हिऱ्याचे आणि काही दागिने असले जवळ व्हॅल्यू अबाउट 5 लाख जातो तो ते गेले झाड तोडून गेले फाटले झाड.
This temple is surrounded by houses and shops. Police reached at the site and conducted Panchanama. Police are investigating the case. Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.